What you see here is the inspection camera GOS 10.8 VLI Professional. It has a 2.7-inch LCD display offering the best picture quality with a resolution of 320 by 240 pixels. The optimum brightness can be flexibly set using the powerful LED. This ensures good visibility in dark areas. Hard-to-reach areas are no longer a problem, thanks to the short camera head and the 122 cm long camera cable. You can connect the GOS 10.8 VLI Professional to external monitors in no time using the video out cable. Quick problem analysis in hard-to-reach areas with the inspection camera GOS 10.8 VLI Professional.